Your VanCraft kitchen is designed for convenience, whether you're off-grid or parked at a campsite. In this episode, we'll walk through how to use your appliances, care for your countertop, and keep your space clean. Each van includes a stainless steel sink with brushed nickel faucet connected to your freshwater tank. Turn on the water pump before using the sink to control water flow with the faucet. Always turn the pump off after use to prevent pressure building up or leaks. Use the included strainer to prevent food from going down the drain. You'll want to use mild soap and soft sponges to keep the sink clean and free of stains. The built-in induction cooktop runs on electric power and is great for cooking off-grid. It's a 1800-watt single-burner induction cooktop that operates on 110-volt AC electricity. Only use induction-compatible magnetic cookware. Remember that the surface of the stove may not get hot, but the pan itself will get hot. Don't set hot pans on the butcher block countertop. It will burn it. All VanCraft vans include a Dometic fridge powered directly by the DC battery system. The fridge can always be on, even while driving or parked. It's efficient and quiet, ideal for off-grid use. Power modes and temperature settings can be adjusted on the inside left of the fridge. Turn the fridge off when not in use or when the van is stored. While off, pull the door latch out so that the door will stay cracked when shut to prevent mildew buildup. The freezer box is removable, and it gives you flexible space for your needs. Your van features solid oak butcher block countertops, a durable surface that requires basic maintenance. A simple tip is to wipe it down daily. Don't use harsh chemicals or bleach-based cleaners. Avoid contact with water, and like stated before, never put hot pans directly on the wood. You can apply a food-safe butcher block oil every 4 to 6 weeks, spot repair scratches or stains by slightly sanding down with 120 to 200 grit sandpaper, then re-oil. A few simple habits will help you keep your kitchen and the rest of your van fresh and functional. In your fridge, make sure to clean up spills immediately and defrost if needed. If you have an interior wet bath, use RV-safe, non-corrosive disinfectants. The wooden cabinets should avoid soaking and use microfiber cloths for dust or light grime. Tough stains and blemishes can be removed from the laminate with a magic eraser. Remember to stick to low VOC or natural cleaners when possible to maintain a good air quality in the cabin. Well, that's your VanCraft kitchen. Now you know how to power and use your appliances, care for your countertop, and keep your space clean, whether you're parked in a trailhead parking lot or staying off-grid for days. If this guide didn't help you, don't worry, our customer support team is here to help you. Just give us a call at 1-385-515-0948, or you can email us at support@van-craft.com.